people buy, really. Alright, fine. See, look, I'm not filming. Okay, no. Hi. Oh, this is brother. He's sucking it right now. I feel like I'm being massaged by a sharper image chair, but that's for another time. And Noah's once again on ecstasy or something. Goldfinger. He apparently just watched Goldfinger, I would assume. More people are here. There's Nick. There's Emily. There's people.
Don't you need like a legal waiver to take a documentary?
Well, if you're gonna publish it, yes.
So are you just gonna watch us?
Say that again.
This is what Marguerite keeps in her locker. I made her myself. She's an exotic dancer. From the Ukraine.
Wait, you made that?
Cassandra Aphrodite. I think so.
Wait, show me your face.
Throw it, please. Can I just throw it?
That sounds like fun.
All right, don't be a camera hog, Noah.
No, come back here. Don't throw it at me. Here, Marguerite. What up, Morgan?
I'm being attacked by Noah right now. Noah, stop it, seriously.
No, give her back.
This is Barbie baseball.
Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie girl.
This is logger clean out. This is
Don't you need
funny.
to sign like some legal thing to take?
Hello. You're on candid camera.
Okay,
How do you guys feel that now that the year's over? Say anything at all? Nothing? How do you feel now that the year's over?
Happy.
Good. How about you? Alrighty then. We got some old garbage. We got what looks to be history notes.
Ryan, take your earbud. Okay, Julie, are you keeping this?
No one I know, but talented artist. This is Jason. All 7 feet of him. It is now noon. We just finished watching a movie, and now we are trying to in our lockers.
How much have you actually been filming, dude?
What?
How much have you actually been filming?
Well, this makes about 3 minutes so far. This past
But like so far this year, or what?
no, this past year. This is about 20 minutes of footage from yesterday and today. No,
Otherwise.
filming right now.
Whoa.
This is you and Night Vision.
Ew.
This is you and Night Vision.
So like, the more I look at this thing, the more they see me.
Pretty much.
Cool. Wait.
Just don't flash your dick.
Oh, okay.
They're fighting over a Barbie head.
Oh, no, show it to the camera.
She was decapitated and horribly mangled. Kristen's gonna try to hide her. Is that her leg?
Yes.
Holy crap! These are
human.
headhunters of Dalton.
I'm not a serial killer. What are you talking about?
This is the season finale of Dexter, people. She just hit it up her shirt. Tried to. She's panicking. And she's trying to stick it down her shirt. This is so going on YouTube.
What are you talking about? Like, seriously, look at that.
Sorry.
This is the most shameless flirting I've ever seen anybody ever do.
Parker's a sex beast.
There, Kristen.
That's sick.
It's got white out on it.
You know what to say about people with big heads, smaller bodies.
That's cash. Did you seriously put that in your mouth?
Yeah. Not really.
What is that?
Not like. It's like the I Know Who Killed Me. It's like.
Oh, that movie sucked.
What is playing that?
My music.
Please turn that off.
No, what are we doing?
What the
So,
fuck are you looking at?
sir, not free today.
Wait, man, where is Suffolk Academy?
Suffolk? What'd you say?
Suffolk.
Suffolk. It's not Suffolk. It's Suffield.
Okay, I'm sorry. Where is it?
Connecticut.
So what? Boarding school?
Yep. And you're not free today.
You know what? You didn't sign my yearbook.